How to make money as a teenager. There are several ways for teenagers to make money, depending on their skills, interests, and available resources. Here are some ideas. 1. Part-time jobs. Look for local part-time job opportunities, such as working at a retail store, restaurant, or as a babysitter. Check with local businesses for job openings suitable for teenagers. 2. Freelancing. Offer your skills online through freelancing platforms. If you're good at writing, graphic design, programming, or other digital skills, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer can be useful. 3. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, offer tutoring services to other students. You can do this locally or online through platforms like Chegg Tutors or Wyzant. 4. Online surveys and reviews. Participate in online surveys or write reviews for websites that pay for user feedback. Be cautious and ensure the legitimacy of the platforms you use. 5. Pet sitting, dog walking. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services in your neighborhood. Many people are willing to pay for someone reliable to take care of their pets. 6. Yard work. Offer yard work services such as lawn mowing, gardening, or snow shoveling, depending on the season. 7. Sell handmade crafts. If you are crafty, consider making and selling handmade items on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. 8. Social media management. If you're familiar with social media, offer your services to local businesses or individuals looking to improve their online presence. 9. Photography. If you have photography skills, offer your services for events, portraits, or stock photos. 10. Blogging, YouTube. Start a blog or a YouTube channel about something you're passionate about. Once you gain an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 11. App development. If you have programming skills, consider developing mobile apps or games. You can sell them on app stores or offer your services to businesses or individuals with app ideas. 12. Virtual assistants. Offer virtual assistant services to busy professionals or small businesses. Tasks may include email management, data entry, or scheduling.